free captions and subtitles are finally here in Canva. And the very good news about this is that this is also true for Canva free users. So you actually don't need a pro subscription to make use of it. So let's jump on in. On Canva's homepage, the first thing you want to do is to click on create a design here in the upper left corner of the screen. Then we click on video right here, and we're going with a video project in 1080p right here. Next, we're going to uploads here in the left sidebar, and I've already uploaded a video file that contains audio. But if you would like to upload your own video that you would like to generate subtitles for, then you can simply click here on upload files, then select the video on your computer and then click on open right here. Now, as I've already uploaded my video that I would like to generate captions for, I'm simply going to click here on videos, and here's my little video. So I'm going to drag and drop that into our project, then I right click on it and I will set the video as background. Now, as you can see currently, there are no subtitles in this video, but it contains my voice and I would like to get subtitles for it. Let's have a look at where to find effects in Premiere Pro. So here's how we do it. We now go to text here in the left sidebar, and there, ladies and gentlemen, you will now find dynamic text right here containing two different features, captions as well as page numbers. Now, if you just imported your video, there might be a chance that you cannot see captions here yet. In that case, what you have to do is to simply wait a little bit, because Canva first needs to completely process your upload before it will actually show you the captions feature right here. So when I first uploaded this video, I couldn't find captions right here and I was a bit confused. Then I just waited a little bit and then went back to text here, and suddenly it popped up. Once you see captions right here, all you need to do is to click on it. Then here in this drop down menu, select the video that you would like to get captions or subtitles for. In my case, the video here is already ticked, so we're all good. And finally we click on generate captions here at the bottom. And boom, we now have subtitles, or let's say captions, in our video. Let's give it a quick listen. I'm just going to put the cursor here to the very beginning of the video, and then I press play right here. Let's have a look at where to find effects in Premiere Pro. Well, generally speaking, you will find effects in the effects panel. You can usually find the effects panel in the top left corner of the screen. So our subtitles are actually perfect, even though my English isn't the clearest, is it? So this actually works really well. Now, if you would like to adjust your subtitles / captions, all you need to do is to double click on the captions that you would like to adjust, and you can then just adjust it. So let's say I would like to capitalize effects here. I simply make sure that the E here is highlighted, and I just simply type a capital E. Now, if I would like to make more changes, I can simply browse through my footage like this here, and whenever I see an error, I simply double click here on my captions and I just adjust it. It's as simple as that. On top of that, when you click on a caption right here, in the top menu bar, you will now also see a captions menu. On the left side, you will then actually get an overview of all your captions that are present in the video. And you can also adjust your captions right here. Moreover, when you click on a caption right here, this will immediately take you to this very caption in the video, which is really handy. So let's say I would like to adjust this caption right here. I simply click on it, and now on the right side in our video, we actually jump to this exact place. Awesome. Now, if you would like to adjust the look of your captions, then you can also do that. Simply left click on one of your captions right here, and then on top here in the toolbar, you could easily adjust the font. Just come here, then change a new font. And just like that, the font of all of your captions is changed at once. It's as simple as that. Now, if you would like to have a different background color for your captions, then you can also do that. Once again, just make sure to click on one of the captions, then come here to effects on top. And then here on the left side, you can see that currently background here is selected. This is also why we have this purple background here in our caption, which seems to be the default setting for the moment. We can easily get rid of that background if we want. All we have to do is to click on none here, and the background is gone. Now, if you would just like to change the color of the background, then simply come down here and then click here on this color circle and adjust the color accordingly. And that's it, guys. This is how you get captions and subtitles in Canva completely for free with one click. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials.